Hey guys, I'm in my grandpa's house. His garage is very messy. Sorry about the mess. So yeah, we're using this as a rental because he passed away like 2 years ago. So now we're just using his garage as storage, so it's a little messy, but I have this pathway for my video, so yeah. He has a liftmaster Formula 1 3255. I think it's a 3280. I'm not entirely sure. I can't see the model up there. And this one in the 2280. Look, not 3255. That's a different one. This one in the 2280 are like twins, so I can hardly tell. I mean, unless I jumped up on here and jumped up, pulled the thing down, but it's a glass table, so I don't want to risk it. Well, yeah, this thing makes absolutely no noise. Try that. The button's covered by a ladder, sorry. Let's see if we can, yeah, you guys should all know what this one is, but yeah. Alright. Yeah, when they do replace this is going to be, I'm going to definitely get that opener, because that is literally my favorite opener, so, yeah. All right, I'll close it and then open it back up, and then that'll be it. Alright, well, I guess I'll end the video here. Alright, that'll be it. Bye.